carrots or the same weight in baby carrots? Does the smaller is better rule for grapes work for carrots as well? Who thinks regular carrots are healthier? Baby carrots? Nope. Smaller is better, but regular carrots are actually the ones that are smaller. So-called baby carrots are just mechanically whittled from these monster carrots. Let's try a three-way. Which is healthier? Iceberg lettuce, Boston lettuce, also known as green leaf lettuce, or red leaf lettuce? How many dare say iceberg? Green leaf? Red leaf? It's the red leaf lettuce. Red, white, or yellow onions? Who thinks red onions are healthier? White? What about yellow? Look at this. We should never buy white onions ever again. If you have a choice, always buy red. Off the charts in terms of phytonutrient flavanol content.